Welcome to Animal Idol, where each week you pick the winner. Hi, I'm Hamster Seacrest. Here are this week's super cute contestants. Comment below on who you think should be this week's Animal Idol. Submit your cute pet videos at ultrakawaii.com. And maybe your cute pet could be the next Animal Idol. Thanks for watching Animal Idol on ultrakawaii.com. Be sure to tune in next week for our winner of this week's show and 2 new super cute contestants.
Beyond the Trailer. Get the inside track on the latest movies and reviews from audiences fresh out of the theater.
This is the one.
New episodes every Friday at beyondthetrailer.com.